Many women over 60 look in the mirror and feel that something is off, even though they can't quite name what it is. It's not the makeup, and it's not just a bad day. More often than not, that feeling comes from the hair. It might puff up in one spot and fall flat in another, or still look like it belongs to a version of yourself from 10 or 15 years ago. This imbalance becomes especially noticeable from the side or from the back. And here's the important part. You're not imagining it. Your face, neck, and posture naturally change over time, but your hairstyle doesn't automatically adapt with them. When your hair no longer aligns with those changes, it can quietly make you look more tired or heavier than you actually are, even when you feel perfectly fine inside. The issue isn't age itself. It's the subtle, out-of-sync feeling between who you are today and a hairstyle that's stuck in the past. Psychological research shows that people often judge age, energy, and even confidence based on overall shape and lines, especially around the head and neck. When the hairline around the head and nape looks neat and slightly lifted, others tend to associate it with good posture, mental alertness, and a more youthful presence. Yet many women over 60 focus almost entirely on the front of their hair, the part they see every day in the mirror, while overlooking the back. The nape and back of the head, even though they're rarely seen by ourselves, play a major role in whether the head shape looks clean and balanced. A hairstyle that looks great from the front but feels heavy, messy, or bulky in the back can still drain the overall look of vitality. True polish comes from balance, front and back, not just from what we check in the mirror each morning. This video isn't about dramatic makeovers or chasing the latest hair trends. Its focus is on small, well-placed adjustments, subtle choices that can completely change how you see yourself. A cleaner cut at the nape, a touch of lift at the crown, or thoughtfully placed internal structure can make the entire face feel lighter and brighter. When your hair no longer weighs you down, you naturally start to stand a little taller, feel more defined, and carry yourself with quiet confidence. What's interesting is that these changes don't require extra effort, time, or daily styling routines. They're simply smart choices that align with who you are right now. And sometimes, one small, well-considered adjustment is all it takes to look in the mirror and think, yes, this is me now. The first adjustment mentioned is the nape of the neck, an area many women tend to overlook. Over time, hair at the nape can become bulky, heavy, and lose its shape, making the neck look shorter and the entire head and neck area feel weighed down. A clean, softly tapered trim at the nape can make a noticeable difference. The neck appears longer, the head shape looks more refined, and the facial outline feels sharper. What's nice is that this change isn't showy at all. You might not notice it the moment you leave the salon, but a quick glance in your car mirror or a side profile photo can suddenly make you feel more put together and well-balanced. If it's been a long time since you've thought about your nape area, try asking your stylist about a light, clean taper. Leave a comment. Your experience might be exactly what someone else needs to feel confident enough to make a change. One of the most noticeable effects of cleaning up the nape is how it sharpens the jawline. When the hair at the back is neatly shaped and structured, the eye is no longer pulled toward heaviness around the neck. It's guided upward, back to the face. This makes the jawline appear more defined, especially as natural facial contours begin to soften with time. Just as important, a softly tapered nape is very easy to maintain. It doesn't rely on harsh lines or awkward grow-out phases that force you back to the salon again and again. As the hair grows, it still holds its shape in a clean, natural way, without that obvious cut-off look. That simplicity and consistency are exactly what make many women feel more at ease with their appearance, not constantly fixing or adjusting, yet always looking intentional, polished, and quietly confident. A neatly tapered nape works much like a subtle seam at the back of a well-tailored outfit. You can wear a beautiful top from the front, but if the back is bunched or wrinkled, the entire look instantly loses its elegance. Hair is no different. When the nape is clean and refined, the whole hairstyle feels intentional, fresh, and thoughtfully put together. The difference shows up in how it feels. No longer, I just rolled out of bed, but I'm ready for the day. On a practical level, a tidy nape also makes everyday life more comfortable. Less heat, no hair catching on collars or scarves. Those small details add up to lasting ease. And when your hair stops getting in the way, you're free to focus on living your life, rather than constantly noticing and adjusting it. The most important takeaway from this part isn't that you need a trendy haircut, it's that you need a solution that fits who you are right now. After 60, your hair doesn't have to prove anything. It simply needs to help you feel clearer, lighter, and more in control of the reflection you see in the mirror. A small adjustment, like refining the nape, can be enough to remind you that you still have the right to fine-tune, refine, and care for yourself with intention. You can still feel elegant. You can still look polished from every angle, including the back. And most importantly, you don't need to chase trends or try to look younger. When your hair moves in rhythm with who you are today, that's enough to step out the door with a confident posture and a deeper sense of ease within yourself. Right after the nape is refined, the next style mentioned is the soft pixie, an option that's often misunderstood. Many women assume that choosing a pixie means giving up femininity or the gentle softness they're used to. In reality, a modern pixie doesn't take anything away. It gives back lightness and clarity. With a slightly longer crown, soft sides, and balanced texture, a pixie creates lift, brightens the face, and brings natural movement to the hair. It's not loud or statement-making. It quietly helps you look more polished and self-assured. If you've ever been curious but hesitant, save this idea and talk it through with your stylist. And if the pixie makes you rethink your current hairstyle, feel free to leave a comment and share what it brings up for you. The reason a soft pixie works especially well for women over 60 lies in how hair naturally changes over time. Hair often becomes finer, particularly at the crown, which can make longer styles feel heavy and collapse easily. A soft pixie addresses this by creating gentle lift at the top, helping the hair look fuller and more alive, without trying to hide or disguise thinning. Instead of pulling hair longer to cover sparse areas, a pixie works with the hair's natural texture and turns it into a strength. This cut doesn't pretend the hair is as thick as it once was. It acknowledges the change and rearranges things thoughtfully. The result is hair that feels lighter, looks more voluminous, and sits in better harmony with the face you have today, bringing a clean, balanced look and a very natural sense of confidence. Another benefit of a soft pixie is how beautifully it highlights facial features. When hair no longer hides too much of the face, the eyes appear brighter, the cheekbones more defined, and the overall expression looks more lively and expressive. Small details, like earrings or a necklace, start to stand out, rather than getting lost in heavy, thick hair. There's also a very practical advantage in everyday life. Mornings become much simpler. Just a few minutes, shaping with your hands, or a light mist of water is often enough. No more battles with blow dryers, round brushes, or tired arms from styling. When your hair feels cooperative instead of demanding, you step out the door with a lighter mindset and a quieter confidence, looking put together without having to try so hard. A soft pixie also brings an emotional shift that many people don't expect. When your hair becomes easier to manage, you no longer have to negotiate with the mirror every morning or wonder whether your hair will cooperate today. That sense of ease doesn't stay on your head. It carries into your mindset. A style that asks for less effort helps you start the day feeling calmer and more in control. And if you're not ready for a full pixie, there's a comfortable middle ground. Sides left just long enough to frame the face, movement through the top, and a softly cleaned up nape. No clippers, nothing drastic, just a shape that shows you're caring for yourself with intention. Sometimes, it's exactly that kind of simplicity that makes you feel more grounded, confident, and steady in your everyday life. A soft pixie also brings an emotional shift that many people don't expect. When your hair becomes easier to manage, you no longer have to negotiate with the mirror every morning or wonder whether your hair will cooperate today. That sense of ease doesn't stay on your head. It carries into your mindset. A style that asks for less effort helps you start the day feeling calmer and more in control. And if you're not ready for a full pixie, there's a comfortable middle ground. Sides left just long enough to frame the face, movement through the top, and a softly cleaned up nape. No clippers, nothing drastic, just a shape that shows you're caring for yourself with intention. Sometimes, it's exactly that kind of simplicity that makes you feel more grounded, confident, and steady in your everyday life. There's a very specific compliment that often comes with a soft pixie. You look brighter and more clear. Not younger, but more aligned with who you are inside. And that may be exactly what many women over 60 are truly looking for. After the hair has been cut shorter and lightened overall, it often needs a subtle internal structure to maintain life and movement over time. This is where hidden layering comes in. Unlike visible layers, which can make fine hair look wispy or messy, hidden layers are carefully cut beneath the outer surface of the hair. From the outside, the hair still appears smooth and clean, but underneath, there's a soft internal support system that gently lifts the hair and allows for more natural volume and movement. For women over 60, as hair strands become finer and density gradually decreases, this technique creates the impression of fuller hair without relying on heavy styling products. The hair doesn't fall flat quickly, nor does it puff up stiffly. Instead, it maintains a light, balanced look, neat yet soft throughout the day. Hidden layering is especially well suited to the natural changes hair goes through with age. As strands become finer and density decreases, particularly around the crown, trying to create volume with teasing or heavy hairspray often results in hair that feels dry, stiff, and uncomfortable. Hidden layers solve the problem in the opposite way. They create the illusion of thickness without adding weight or puffiness. The internal layers support the hair on top, helping it maintain shape and vitality throughout daily life. What's especially reassuring is how gently hidden layers grow out. They don't create harsh lines or awkward angles as the hair gets longer. That means less frequent touch-ups and less worry as time passes, allowing you to feel more at ease and stable with your hairstyle, instead of constantly managing or correcting it. After experiencing the gentle lift and stability that hidden layers provide, the video touches on a truth that isn't easy to admit. Many women have held on to their hair length for too long. Not because it still suits them, but because it once felt safe. Long hair can act like a shield, softening or hiding changes in the jawline, neck, or cheekbones. Over time, though, that same length can begin to pull everything downward. The ends grow thinner and lose their shape, making the face look heavier and more tired. Instead of lifting, long hair becomes a quiet drag. This shift happens so gradually that we grow used to it without realizing what's changed. All it takes is seeing a side profile photo to recognize that the old hairstyle is no longer lifting you up. It's holding you in a version of yourself that has already passed. Letting go of some length often brings more emotion than we expect. When the hair is cut back to a balanced, intentional length, the face suddenly looks brighter, the eyes feel more open, and even posture becomes steadier. You're no longer hiding behind your hair, you're actively framing your face instead. What surprises many women most is the sense of relief, like setting down something you've been carrying for far too long. Styling becomes simpler and faster, without the daily struggle of forcing your hair to cooperate. If you're torn between staying the same or making a change, ask yourself this: does your current hairstyle still lift you up, or is it quietly pulling you down? If that question resonates, save this thought, or share what you're feeling in the comments. A small decision today can open the door to a new sense of confidence tomorrow. After letting go of some length and feeling that sense of lightness, many people wonder whether they have to go even shorter to look refreshed. The answer is, not necessarily. Sometimes a very small adjustment around the front of the face is enough to make a real difference. Instead of changing the entire hairstyle, one thoughtful detail can soften facial lines, rebalance proportions, and bring a sense of freshness while still feeling familiar. What matters isn't how long your hair is, but how it interacts with the face you have today. When hair is placed intentionally, it stops hiding or pulling things downward and begins to guide the eye in a more flattering way. Refreshment doesn't always come from cutting more, it often comes from cutting right, just enough to help you feel neater, brighter, and more at ease with yourself. The next small detail mentioned is the side-swept bang. Something familiar, yet often misunderstood. A side bang isn't meant to hide or camouflage signs of aging. Instead, it gently redirects the eye in a soft, natural way. When cut thin and airy, A side-swept bang softens the forehead, draws attention toward the eyes and cheekbones, and adds movement to the face. Unlike the heavy, blunt bangs of the past, a modern side bang is easy to live with and very flexible. It doesn't demand complicated styling or constant attention. It blends into the hairstyle rather than dominating it. And it's exactly this subtlety that creates a sense of polish, light, balanced, and intentional, like a final, thoughtful touch that brings the face into harmony while keeping everything looking natural. A soft side-swept bang is especially effective because it works right where the face most easily shows age. The forehead is often one of the first areas to develop fine lines, which can create a tired look even when you feel healthy and alert. When cut with a gentle angle, a side bang creates a natural, understated veil, nothing obvious or heavy, helping the face look more balanced without relying on thick makeup or invasive solutions. It also helps even out the two sides of the face, which matters more than we realize as brows and facial muscles naturally become less symmetrical over time. With just a slight movement of the fringe, the eye is guided in a softer, more flattering direction. It's a small change, but one that brings a quiet sense of thoughtful care every time you look in the mirror. One of the most lovable things about a soft side-swept bang is how flexible and how forgiving it is in everyday life. On rushed mornings, just a few quick passes with your fingers or a round brush can bring it into place and instantly make the whole face look more put together. Even on days when the rest of your hair isn't fully cooperating, a side bang alone can give your look a sense of intention. Beyond convenience, it adds just a hint of playfulness and lightness. Nothing showy, but enough to make you smile when you catch your reflection. If you've avoided bangs because of a bad haircut memory from the past, consider giving yourself permission to see them differently now. Save this idea or share in the comments. Have you ever tried a side-swept bang? And what's been holding you back? The closing message of the video emphasizes that a brighter, more lifted appearance doesn't come from big, dramatic, or expensive changes. It comes from adjusting how you see yourself and how you choose. When you prioritize softness over heaviness, structure over effort, and intention over old habits, everything begins to feel lighter. Details like a clean nape, a soft pixie, hidden layers, or a side-swept bang aren't just hair tips. They reflect a new mindset, caring for yourself in a way that fits who you are now. You don't need to prove your age, your style, or your worth to anyone. What truly matters is the feeling you get when you look in the mirror and realize you look clearer, more at ease, and more aligned with yourself. The video closes with a very gentle invitation to look back at your own journey through your hair. Have you ever had a hairstyle that made you stand a little taller, walk with more confidence, and feel more fully present in the space around you? Changes in hair aren't always just about appearance. They're often about how we carry ourselves through each day. Sharing that experience isn't just telling a personal story. It can give courage to another woman standing in front of the mirror, unsure. If there was a moment or detail in the video that made you pause and reflect, allow yourself to say it out loud. Because aging isn't something to hide or apologize for. It's a stage of life that deserves care, choice, and expression, done in a way that's graceful, grounded, and uniquely your own.
Hello there. If you enjoy gentle conversations, thoughtful reflections, and inspiring ideas about beauty, elegance, and growing into yourself after 50, then our community posts are just for you. This is where we share quiet thoughts, helpful tips, and simple reminders that you are not alone on this journey. Feel free to join the discussion, leave a comment, or simply read along and take what speaks to your heart. We're always happy to have you here.